Once upon a time, there was an ambitious entrepreneur named Jason. He was determined to start an online business that would allow him to make money from home. Jason did extensive research and learned the basics of setting up a website, choosing a domain name and website hosting, and setting up an online payment system. He was also able to find tutorial videos to help him learn the different aspects of setting up his website. After many long hours of hard work, Jason had built an amazing website that was ready to be launched. He created content for his website in the form of original blog posts, pages about the products he would be selling, a contact page, and a shopping cart for customers to purchase products. Once the website was complete, Jason was ready to advertise his online business. He decided to focus on making a name for himself on the biggest social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. He also advertised through Google Ads and made his product available for purchase on other websites such as Amazon and eBay. After a few months, Jason's online business was up and running and making money from home. He was amazed at how much his hard work and dedication had paid off, and he was determined to continue growing his business as much as possible. Now, Jason has become an inspiration to many other entrepreneurs. His story is a testament to the fact that you can make money from home with an online business if you're willing to put in the hard work and dedication and stay focused on your goals. That was a story. I have a business that will help you get up and running without a lot of that. You still have to work, but a lot of that is already done for you. And if you would like to know more, then contact me. Thank you.